Hey, it's Michelle Butt, and it is time for another Fun Fact Friday. So today I thought I'd give you some actual facts, some statistics, some numbers to help you understand why I do what I do and why we communicate so ineffectively sometimes just by talking. Although I'm talking to you today, if you've been around me long enough, you're going to start to learn how to read my face a little bit so that you can get some visual clues to understand how friendly I am, how approachable I am, who I am, and who you are when I see you to help make a stronger connection. And part of why it's so important and part of why I love the facial intelligence work and body language and nonverbal is because when we experience the world through our senses, did you know that 11% of our hearing is used to discern our environment and to make a connection with someone else? 11%. And you're thinking, okay, that's pretty good. But 83% of what we take in via our senses is visual. So when we meet someone for the first time, it only matters 11% what they're saying to us. 83% of who they are and how they present themselves. And you remember way back a Fun Fact Friday about within the blink of an eye, how we make our judgments in the first 1/10 of a second is visual. And so if we take in so much information visually, if that is our first point of contact, then why not use the tools that people give you to understand them so that the words that you're going to use are going to be that much more meaningful to them, and your understanding of who they are and how you need to connect to them will be that much more meaningful because you understand what you're getting from the visual. Just makes sense, people. It really does. So when you go home, you can talk to your family and tell them, did you know that 83% of our vision is used in first connection? Or we use our vision 83% of the time and only 11% for our hearing? So we do a lot of talking, but we're listening more with our eyes than with our ears. And yes, there's touch and taste, but really we don't go up and taste people now, do we? So hey, those are important, but not as important in the terms of connection. So anyway, I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed these stats and it gave you a little food for thought visually, and I will see you next Friday.